Today we are making chai whoopie pies. This is a spice-filled cake-like cookie sandwich, and it's filled with a fluffy sweet cream. Everyone loves this recipe, and I know you will too. So the first thing we're going to do is make our chai spice mix. We have all the classic spices like cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, allspice, cloves, and nutmegs. We're going to give this a good mix, and we are going to be using these in the cookies. So for the cookie dough, we have butter and sugar, and we are going to cream this together. Now remember, you cannot overdo this, but you can underdo this. So we want most of the sugar to dissolve. It's going to be come super pale and fluffy, and this is going to ensure that we have a really, really good cookie. And the next thing we're going to do is add in 1 room temperature egg. So you don't want your egg to be cold because it's going to make the batter become clumpy. It's going to re-harden the butter. If you don't have any warm eggs, just pop one in a cup of warm water for 30 seconds and that will be perfect. Now we're going to mix together all of our dry ingredients. We have flour, baking soda, salt, and then a whole tablespoon and a half of the chai spice. Like I said, these are just so spice-filled. They're so warm and comforting. Don't skimp out. Now give these a really gentle mix. Be careful you don't get flour everywhere like I did. To your milk, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now, I don't know about you, but around here, we always measure vanilla with our heart. So we're going to add half of the flour to the butter, and then we're going to give it a really good mix to combine, and then we're going to add all of the milk, stir it up, and then we're going to add the rest of the flour. So adding the flour in 2 additions really ensures that our batter is going to be smooth, it's going to be fluffy, it's going to be tender, it's going to be delicious. Can we take a moment to appreciate how nice this looks? Okay, so we're going to use a large cookie scoop and scoop out 18 cookies. So this recipe makes 9 large whoopie pies. You can make 6 extra big ones. You can make a dozen littler ones. It all depends on the size of your cookie scoop. So for the filling, we need 1 cup of buttercream. This is actually a caramel buttercream that I made for a caramel apple roll cake. That is the next video that's coming out, so you better subscribe. And so to this buttercream, we're going to be adding 4 tablespoons of marshmallow fluff, also known as a 1/4 cup. Give it a really good mix. This is going to be a super sticky, sweet filling. So I'm going to flip over half of our cookies, and then I'm actually using a small cookie scoop to perfectly portion out our frosting, and I'm going to put 1 scoop in the middle of each cookie. So now you can top each cookie with its other half. Look how delicious these are. Okay, you need to subscribe. Like I said, we have so many more fall desserts coming out. This is only episode 5 of Fall in Love with Baking. I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye!